What's up, guys? I haven't been on YouTube in a while, but I figure why not make a quick little unboxing of the Bevel razor. So I just got this razor in the mail. Haven't opened it. I ordered mine from Amazon, so I get it faster in the mail than ordering from the company. Prices were the same. Actually, when I got this, Amazon was doing a sale on it. But yeah. So this is the Bevel blade. Just a straight razor to cut your beard hairs, I guess. I'll put a picture of my beard hairs at the end. Yeah, I'll open it. It's a very nice packaging. That's the top of the box. The paperwork from the CEO. The Bevel works. Not really sure what this is. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Okay. We thank you. Maybe it's probably just like a product review card. Oh, some instructions. Yeah, looks like a little instruction manual. Yeah, instruction. Cool. And here's the blade. This is awesome. I got the starter kit, so it should have everything in here. This is the blade. Ooh, this blade's kind of heavy. It's pretty nice. Pretty sturdy. Pretty hefty. The detail. Pretty clear. I'm not sure. I have a little scuff right here. Okay. Wiped it. Okay, yeah, wipe it off. So, good. So, yeah, the blade's kind of cool. Let's see what's underneath this. Pull tab. Duh. With the pull tab. Ah, nice. And here's the whole starter kit. I think this is probably the oil. What's this? Yep, the oil. I think this is the shave cream. Nice. And this is the, what is this? The lotion? Yep, restoring balm. And I think I should have blades. On Amazon, they had a sale for the extended amount of blades. I think this is 30 blades versus like, I think the original Bevel link is just 10. So I got extended blades and this is the brush. I've been hearing mixed reviews on the brush. Some people say the brush is perfect. Some people say the brush only lasts like after everything's done. Oh, it's nice. It's pretty soft. See, for me, I'm not cutting that. I don't have that much hairs to cut. It's just really underneath my chin. I'm trying to grow out my beard. So, yeah. So I'm not going to put the brush back in its box because when after I use it once, it's going to be wet. So I'll just leave that there. But yep, this is the Bevel kit. It's kind of awesome. Packaging is amazing. Looks pretty clean. I'll do a review and tell you how it's going to work. I'm black, so I have coarse hair. So it's pretty thick. I decided to switch over because when I was using Gillette and all them other things, I didn't know any better. They gave me razor brushes. No matter what I did, I would use like bump control, all of that. The bump control works. It just, why do I have to have you bump control every time I shave my face? Yeah, so this is what my beard looks like. Not bad. Still growing in it. But yeah, I'm gonna shave underneath. But yeah, update coming soon.